four Figma shortcuts that will make your life easier. First one is if you want to access components, widgets, and plugins, you can just press Shift plus I and it will open a pop-up in which you can see there is a components, plugins, and widgets. Let's go on to the second shortcut. The second shortcut is related to the plugins. If you have used a plugin and if you want to use that plugin again and again, for instance, let's use a plugin word counter. I need to access that plugin again. So you can just press Control Alt and P and you can access the previously used plugin, which is this one. So the third shortcut is when you want to do any action in Figma, there is a quick way of doing that. You can use the quick actions panel here, and you can search for any action. Suppose you want to change the setting of any tool, or you want to change the interface to dark mode. You can just type dark mode, and all of the options that you see in the file menu, edit menu, and all of these menus will be instantly available here. So the last shortcut is when you want to change the layer name, you can select the layer and press Control plus R, and you can see the